Mastering challenges one step at a time. The power of take it step by step. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very useful and inspiring phrase in the English language. Take it step by step. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also offers a valuable approach to handling tasks and challenges. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and how it can positively impact your learning journey and daily life. Take it step by step is a phrase that encourages tackling a task or facing a challenge gradually, one stage at a time. It's about breaking down a larger goal into smaller, manageable parts, making it less overwhelming and more achievable. This approach emphasizes patience, persistence, and the importance of progress, no matter how small. To illustrate the concept, let's look at some practical examples. Learning a new language. Instead of trying to become fluent overnight, start with basic vocabulary. Then move on to simple sentences, and gradually increase the complexity of your language skills. Project management. Break the project into phases, focusing on one milestone at a time, ensuring each step is completed before moving on to the next. These examples show how the step-by-step approach can be applied to various situations, making goals more attainable and reducing feelings of stress or anxiety. Adopting a step-by-step approach has several benefits. Increases focus. Concentrating on one step at a time allows for better focus and quality of work. Enhances motivation. Completing each step provides a sense of accomplishment, motivating you to continue. Improves learning and retention. Gradual progression makes it easier to understand and remember new information. Implementing the step-by-step approach in your learning or any area of life involves setting clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and by when. Breaking down tasks. Divide your goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Prioritizing steps. Determine the order in which to tackle tasks, focusing on one at a time. Celebrating milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate each achievement along the way. Remember, whether you're learning a new skill, working on a project, or facing any kind of challenge, take it step by step. This approach not only makes your goals more achievable but also enriches your journey with lessons learned and satisfaction gained from each step forward. We hope this video inspires you to tackle your challenges one step at a time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.